So today we've got a Ford F150 key fob here that we're looking at. It's a switchblade style, so it's got the button on the top, and it actually is fairly confusing. A lot of keys have the key that slides out, and then it gives you the space to get to the battery. So these keys here, they just are plastic, but right here I could see that it was a little chewed up, so a previous owner must have taken this off, so it kind of gave me a clue. So there's just like a plastic piece on the back here. I've already loosened it up, but you grab it kind of by where the key is. You can pull that out, and then right here you can see little grooves. So this just pops right off. And then you have your CR2032 battery. They don't always have to be CR, I believe. It's just 2032. So then you pop that out. These have the little grooves that hold it in, so it might be a little tricky getting it out, but you kind of pull it from the top because it slides down in here as well. And then get the new one back in there. And then all you have to do is clip this back piece back on, and you're all set. Thank you for watching. And this was a 2019 Ford F-150 XLT.